got a nice little redo on my last New Haven ride that I wasn't able to release because all you could hear was wind because my microphone was plugged in, but it wasn't catching audio from my microphone because I'm pretty sure my microphone blew. So I'm hoping this was a good redo. Even if it's a little bit windy, I'll take it. Don't do it. None of you do it. Alrighty, thank you. Appreciate not getting pulled out in front of. That always scares me, bro. When I have two cars ready to pull out in front of me on both sides, bro. That's like a double whammy, bro. I don't know who to pay attention to.